Hey, it's Lauren. This is an excerpt from the full-length episode. To listen to the entire episode, head to the show notes and follow the link.
This episode has been brought to you by the Afterlight Institute. Ignite the light, magic, and miracles within.
I noticed that, if I am alone for dinner or something, I really eat really basic. And if I'm alone for a long time, let's say for dinners, I'll probably eat stir fry almost all the time. I feel really nervous sometimes, I guess you could say, about mixing and matching different spices and things. So when you're talking about, putting these different teas together, how do you kind of get over the hurdle of maybe worrying that you're going to do it wrong, letting your body guide you? And would you do the same sort of process with teas as you would with different spices and the like? Because I really struggle with that.
For sure. I think, and it's uncomfortable too, right? Because like now there's a recipe for everything. You could literally just go online and Google the exact, recipe that you want, and it's laid out for you perfectly. You don't have to do the thinking. You don't have to do the experimenting. So yeah, it's uncomfortable nowadays in our internet age to sort of break out of that. But, you look at the recipes from, our ancestors, from our great grandmas, they didn't even measure. They just sort of like threw stuff in with whatever intuitively was best for them. That's why, their kids and their grandkids had such a hard time recreating their recipes because they never wrote it down. They never, put that down there. So, inherently though, that sort of intuition and knowledge is still within us. So I think the best thing you can do is to just not go on the internet. Like, don't try and look that stuff up. Like, pick out 4 herbs or so, just so it's not overwhelming. Not so you have like 12 different herbs to try, but like, get like 4 different herbs and mix and match and just see, what tastes good, especially if the herbs are, you can use them as much as you want without any side effects or anything like that, then there's really no consequences. You can just let yourself play. And it's just more of a mental hurdle to sort of get over that fact that we have literally all of the answers at our fingertips, right? So that's the main thing. But once you do that, it's just staying off the internet and giving yourself space to mess up. And sometimes it's not going to taste good. Like it's just is how it is. And you can do the same thing, like you said, with spices. It's just mix and match. But when you find that really good combination, it's just so rewarding after like going through the work and all of that stuff. So it's much more fulfilling to make something that you've created yourself intuitively and with the plants than it is to just look something up. So, but I'm glad that you brought that up because that is real. That is a real thing that you have to kind of get over when you start formulating.